Hey everyone, how's it cracking? Let's download and install our favourite themes in our C1101. First of all, you want to get onto GitHub and download your favourite Ghoststrats theme. As you see on here, download the zip file and send it to your computer. Once it's downloaded, open your downloads and you want to unzip that file. I've unzipped this to my documents file so it's separate to keep things a bit cleaner. Once that's extracted, obviously you can see all the different themes, all the different files. Find the file that's relevant to the device and the theme style that you want. I've gone for the 140 pixel. Download that and put that in a place where you know you can find it, because when you go onto your device and open it, you want to be able to locate it. Right, so let's connect to our AP. So you want to go down to your files on your T-Embed. You want to go down to your web UI. You want to connect to my network. Once that's initialized, then you can open up the web UI on your desktop. Once you've put in the IP, go to little FS, go to send files, and then highlight all the files you want to send. And then as you can see here, these are downloading. Once these are fully downloaded, all the blue lines will disappear. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Once those are downloaded, we want to get back onto our T-Embed. Go down to config. Then you want to scroll down and go down to UI theme. And once you've opened that, then you want to go to the JSON file. And then boom. You're away. I did mess up on this at the first time. I wanted to get the startup GIF, so I've just had to restart it and reset it.